Oh my God.
Hello guys, for today's video we are here in Liberty State Park. So we're trying to get the ferry there to go to Ellis Island there, and then we have ferries there. We're trying to get there to ride a boat to go to the island. So let's go. Lapit na kami sa boat na area. So let's see kung makalagas pa ta sa time. Marami sang hunisang ano? Hunisang pispis. Security screening. So this is the place where you go inside go to the boat to ride a boat. I mean, and the boat there. So you need the mask. Let's see what it says. Airport says to wear. Statue of Liberty in this iron boat. So now we are here in the old train station. Wala na. Wala na nagana. Oh, katawang balay. That's the outside there. So as you can see here, they have track 50 in the time. Place where they're going. That's a Point Pleasant train, Raritan train, Suburbanite. So this is the old train station. See there, yeah, Philadelphia, all the destination tickets. Nice bala. Diri ka o mabakal kwan. Ferry tickets. Hiring pa sila oh. Now hiring. We're going to a ferry. We have a ferry ticket now, so we're going. So we're going to the boat now. We're going to ride boat. Abi ka una ni man. Ari na kami sa boat. Here in Ellis Island. Wala kami na naog, oh. Wala kami na naog kay Juan. Kasi mayaan kami sa boat. Ha? Bebe! Na, ari amo ni among boat, oh. Yan na boat. Building there, as you can see, it's smoking. The building, see the black smoke is coming out from that building. That building is where you buy the ticket to go to the ferry. There. Oh my god, I don't know what's going on with the building. Oh my god.
Yeah, porque mira, it's smoking up there.
Yep.
The other floor is
Yep,
down.
yep.
It's in the middle now.
Oh my god. It's scary. I hope they're okay there. I don't know what's going on, but it's smoking. The black smoke. You can see the black smoke. Yep.
It's also burning. It's burning the one up top. You see the black spot on the first, on the top of the floor?
Yeah, yeah.
It's like 3 or 4 floors there.
Oh my god. Comes the helicopter. I can see the smoke still, as you can see here. The smoke. I have a goosebump.
signs of those lights, they're informing others that there's something wrong.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that's why when I point at them where the smoke is, they're actually doing that, so they know. So there's like 3, 4. So every time you see a light, they're communicating what's going on.
Oh, nice. Okay, good. Oh my god.
I didn't even realize
Yeah, I
until
can
I saw
see.
the lights.
Yeah.
I saw the lights are telling them, sending messages.
Mm-hmm.
Because my dad used to ride on the helicopters in his country, so I know what they're
Wow. Still smoking with that.
You see now the helicopters are approaching, so they got
Yeah.
so they got the message. So every time you see the little lights, they're communicating what's going on.
That's good. Oh my god. Oh my god. So we are here now.
Please remain in your seats. Please exercise caution when standing or moving around the decks. Should there be any unexpected vessel movement, please hold handrails whenever possible, particularly on stairways.
I can see the building here now. I can. So we are here in the gift shop and cafeteria. So this is the back of the Liberty. This is the back. That's it for today, for today's video. Nag-end na.